Question 6. Native, privileged, worthy, honoured, superiority, majority. So we need to find the two words that are synonyms, and they're going to consist of one word from the first group of words and one word from the second group of words. So we'll start by looking at the first group of words. We have native. A native is a person who was born in a particular place, or a plant or animal that lives or grows naturally in a place. So a native of America, for example, means someone who was born in America. And the red squirrel is a native of Britain. So the red squirrel lives naturally in Britain, hasn't been brought there from somewhere else. Next, we have the word privileged, which means having special rights or advantages. So if you're very wealthy, you could say you're privileged because money will give you certain advantages. Privileged can also mean confidential. Privileged information is confidential information. Next, we have the word worthy, which can mean deserving respect and admiration. So a worthy cause is deserving of respect and admiration. Now looking at the second group of words, so we have the word honoured, which can mean special. If you have an honoured guest, then you have a special guest. And an honoured guest will be treated with utmost respect. Honoured can also mean delighted. I would be honoured to accept your invitation. I would be delighted to accept your invitation. Then we have the word superiority, which can be the belief that you are better than other people. It can also mean the fact that one person or thing is better or stronger than another. Finally, we have the word majority, which is the larger number or part of something. The majority of the employees have university degrees. So most of the employees have university degrees. From this, we can see that our words that are closest in meaning are be privileged and X honoured, because somebody who is privileged has special rights, advantages, and somebody who is honoured also has special rights and advantages. An honoured guest will be treated in a special way. And a privileged person has special treatment. They have a good deal in life. So now all you need to do is mark your answer on the answer sheet. You need a horizontal line next to the word privileged and a horizontal line next to the word honoured.